understanding grew a forest from a tree.
14 years together, 14 years of laughter, growth, and learning what really means to love and be loved. And through all these years, I have realized something. Love is not about perfection or grand gestures. Love is about choosing each other every single day when it is not easy.
Nag-meet jud mi sa eskwelahan jud kay occasion sa akong igagaw, friends sa akong igagaw ba. So dito mi nagkita og balik, nagka-say hi, hello, then nagkapangayuan og numbers, nagkumustahay, then niabot ang panahon nga nagka-develop ay.
Yax, I have realized that with you, I am free to be myself, playful, silly, even shy at times. And you still love me, flaws and all. I have realized that patience, understanding, and kindness are what make love last. I have realized that a safe, steady love like yours is rare. And I am so grateful to have it and to have you.
You make a promise before the Lord that whatever happens until the end, you will spend your whole life together with your husband, Rafael. Now, marriage is a sacred vocation, a holy covenant entered before God and the church. This is not simply a physical union, but a lifelong, total, fruitful communion of people.
So today, I promise you this. I promise to always be here when you need me. I promise to listen to you with an open heart and to support you in every dream and decision.
Fast forward thinking, would you rewind and let us in? I'll be ready where the pieces fall tonight. If they fall again, look around here.
As a partner, ano siya? Supportive siya. Gusay akong ganahan, support pasan siya. Funny, ikatambayayong sa tanan mga asa, ikatambayayong sa mga decisions.
I promise to love you every day and not only when it is not easy, but also when it takes patience, courage, and faith. I promise to choose you, care for you, and walk beside you for the rest of my life.
Pull me closer now. Where you hold it all together, sing this anthem. Run into arms we found. Where you hold it all together.
promise na ko nga naara gyapon ko sa naara ko pirmi sa imong kiliran, sa imong mga problema. Andam ra kong maminaw. Then mo support ug sa imong mga plano para natong duha.
Happy ka? Wow. Happy married life. I love you!
pieces fall from sight. And you fall
Yax, I have realized that you are my answered prayer, my safe place, my partner, and every season of life. No matter where life takes us, I will always choose you every single day for the rest of our days. I love you always, Yax. Thank you.
Iyo, tanggan kayong salamat no, sa imuhang suporta nako, dili lang kay nako, uso sa ako ang pamilya and relatives. Naasad ka, naa ka.
Manginaot ko nga magmayo ang ilang kabinyon hangtod sa hangtod. Congratulations! Nakasal na kita na kong anak. Salamat sa Ginoo sa may panahon.
So hope nga magpabilin kang ingon ana nga sa atong panagkaila, dili ka mausap, gihigugma ti ka sumunang naabot ta sa kaning stage sa ato ang relationship. Kana na siya. I love you.